Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we explore the fascinating world of software development and the tools that make it all possible. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something that discreetly yet powerfully enhances the reliability of our code, the Go Playground Validator package. So, have you ever found yourself grappling with how to validate data structures in your applications? Well, you're not alone. As developers, we naturally want our applications to produce accurate and expected results. And that's where validation comes in. Now let's paint a picture of how this works. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't want to skip the inspection phase. You'd want to ensure that everything is solid. Walls are straight, the foundation is strong, and the electrical wiring is flawless. Similarly, validation in programming ensures that the data entering your system is sound and structured properly before it's acted upon. It's all about catching issues early to save yourself loads of headaches in the future. Now let's talk about the Go Playground Validator and what makes it so unique. One standout feature is its ability to perform cross-field and cross-struct validations. Essentially, it checks if the fields in one structure are in harmony with the fields in another. This might sound complex, but imagine checking that the start date of a project is earlier than the end date. This validation ensures data integrity without bogging your application down with errors down the line. What I find particularly fascinating is the slice array and map diving feature. This lets you validate any level of a multidimensional field. Picture this: you're working with arrays of users, and each user has their own set of attributes, like addresses and preferences. The validator dives deep to ensure every single level adheres to the set rules. It's almost like a game of hide and seek in your data structures. No issue gets left to wander unchecked. Another great aspect of this package is its ability to manage custom types effectively. It has a unique skill for determining the underlying type of a field before validation, which means you can handle custom data types with ease. For instance, you might define a specific struct for user profiles that include various custom fields. The package will smartly pry into these custom fields and apply the correct validation rules. Now, what about error handling? The validator returns validation errors in a structured way to keep you informed about any discrepancies without overwhelming you. It's designed to avoid the common pitfall where you have to check for numerous error types. Instead, you can simply look for inconsistencies, and the validator does the heavy lifting for you. So how cool is it to have a tool that simplifies this aspect of your coding? And there's more. It comes integrated with default support for popular frameworks like Gin, making your development process smoother. This means you can easily validate incoming requests right as they come into your web application. It's a seamless fit into existing workflows that makes developers breathe a little easier. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on why validation is such a critical part of software development. Not only does it streamline our code and protect us from errors, but it also ultimately enhances user experience by delivering reliable, high-quality software. So, whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, considering proper validation practices and utilizing tools like the Go Playground Validator package can set you up for success in your development journey. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. What are your thoughts on validation in programming? Have you used similar tools in your projects? We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep validating.